Hey guys, it's me, Pixieset of Kikonas Photography, and today I've got something really exciting to share with you. You know I'm all about sharing, and I was researching about how I could add alternatives of sharing pictures with clients, and I chanced on this website. It's just some few days ago actually, so this is pretty fresh information for me that I'm sharing with you. And you guys know more about sharing, so without further ado, let me share the website with you. It's called Pixieset. When I saw the website, it blew my mind, guys. It's amazing the way the website is. You know, I'm used to WeTransfer and Dropbox. Those are the really two apps I use in sharing pictures with clients. And you know, with WeTransfer, after some days the file is gone, it's deleted, and you have to re-upload, and sometimes it's inconvenient. Dropbox is cool, but sometimes you lose quality. I don't know why that happens, but that's Dropbox. I've been using it for some time. It's really good, but this website doesn't do any of that. It keeps the file the way you shared it, high resolution, you can zoom in. And then one amazing thing I like about it is the way it catalogs everything. It's like a magazine. It puts everything in like a nice catalog. It's amazing. I can't say enough about this website. The only downside that I've found using the website right now is that you need a good internet connection, so that because it opens everything high resolution. And you know, it has the full PC version and then the mobile version, so any platform that you're viewing the website from, it's amazing. It displays so good. So guys, I'm out of breath. Let's jump into the PC and let me share with you Pixieset and how amazing it is. Hey beautiful people, thanks for joining me. So this is a site right here that I have been raving about, Pixieset. This is it right here, opened in Chrome on my desktop, and this is what you get when you open the website. It's clearly laid out beautifully over here, and you're supposed to click here to get started. But before we do, let's scroll down to see what the site entails. Designed to impress, personalized cover, the gallery, your space. See how beautiful it looks on desktop and on mobile. And what I love about it is it keeps the files at the same way that you save them on from either Photoshop or Lightroom. Like it saves exactly the same. It doesn't reduce quality. It's just amazing. You can share to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest straight from it. And yeah, as I showed you can download straight, you can share anything you want to do. And it's free, guys. It's completely free. And the thing with it is you're limited to, I think, 3 GB of space. So anytime you want to upgrade, you upgrade, and you go. I'll take you through that process so you see how it works. So basically, this is how the website is laid out, and I have already created an account, and I'm going to take you to my page so you guys can see what I've done with Pixieset so far. So this is my page so far. It's got collections, and there's a few that I've uploaded. Yeah, this is my homepage. So this is my account, King Coconut Photography, my profile, subscriptions, and everything. So subscriptions, let's go here. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. You have a total storage of 3 GB to upload, and I've used almost half already. So yeah, definitely I have to upgrade. And from what I've seen so far, I'm definitely going to upgrade to keep using this software. I mean, this website, it's really impressive. So when you click on upgrade plan, this is what you have: from $8 every month, $16 every month, $24 every month, to $40. So depending on what you need, just select and you upgrade. So I'm thinking of doing this 100 gig of storage, and you even get a discount if you do a yearly upgrade. So basically that is Pixieset. I'm going to open one of the galleries so you see how it looks. Where should we go? Okay, let me open this. Wait, let's do this. I just recently uploaded this. Yes, and so basically this is how it looks. You can just click and it would upgrade. It would zoom in, so you can even rearrange the pictures from here. Anyhow you want to do it, you can. So this is a naming ceremony I did just recently, and let's see. When you yes, okay, so you have to click on the picture and then click on the magnifying, and then you can just scroll through the pictures. Okay, so this is, I selected 3 pictures, so cycling through the 3 pictures, and this, you can change the cover and you can edit it, the name and everything, and if you want to, you can add more photos to it. You guys should go and check it out. It's amazing what you can do, how everything's laid out, and this is traditional. See, high res images. So you click and you click the plus sign, and so just laid out so beautifully. I just love the way it is, and the way I've going through it, I realized that you can make your clients select stuff from here that you want to frame, or they want to create an album with. And even if they want to buy, they have a platform where you can, when you go to store, have a platform where you can create, select some pictures for clients to buy and everything. Like, everything is laid out here. It's just amazing. So guys, basically this is Pixieset. I'm still finding my way around the entire software because I'm still new to it and I'm still figuring it out. So you guys should figure it out with me. Go to Pixieset and check it out, and let me know if you like this website, if you prefer using Google Drive, Dropbox, WeTransfer, or you enjoy using this. You think this will be something that you'll be using some more. And if you have the other softwares that you use to share pictures to your clients and you think those are way better than this, definitely do let me know, and I'll also go check it out. So until I come here again next week, guys, it's peace from Keep It Konate.